Kia ora koutou. There are some plants that will absolutely put you in their place if you're not careful, and one of them is this one here, Ongaonga, Urticopteryx or tree nettle. You can see the leaves and basically every other part of this plant are covered in these spines that are little hypodermic needles filled with a poison called trifidin. When you brush against this plant, those needles inject that poison into you and it stings and burns for some time before kind of getting tingly for a while. In some really extreme cases, the amount of poison that a person can get has killed them. But this only happened a few times and from people who've stumbled through patches of this plant and got stung all over their body. Sadly, this has caused people to have an unnecessary fear of this plant, and they've removed it from lots of places around Aotearoa, meaning that there's not much of this plant left across its historic range, and it's really important as one of the only nesting sites for the kahukura and kahukowhai, our native red and yellow admiral butterflies. So while I don't recommend touching this plant, I also don't recommend being afraid of it, and certainly I wouldn't